Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the battery in a Samsung XE500C13 Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to avoid electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy for this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. You might also want to have a pair of tweezers handy, as they may be useful in handling small parts. The first step will be to remove the 9 bottom cover screws. Next, you will use your spudger to carefully pry and remove the bottom cover. Now, you will remove the 4 battery screws. Next, you will disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard and remove the battery. The first step in the installation of your replacement battery will be to set it into place and replace the 4 battery screws. Now, you will reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Next, you will snap the bottom cover back into place. The final step will be to replace the 9 bottom cover screws. You have now successfully replaced the palm rest assembly on your Samsung Chromebook. Good job!